I want to show you what it looks like to fish in the open water with the Lowrance Active Target in down mode. To start, I actually use it in forward mode. I can scan 100 feet in front of the boat and I can find the school of panfish. Right now I'm pan fishing and I can drive right on top of them, and now I see them below the boat, so I put it in down mode and I'm just dropping my lure directly below the boat and I can watch it go down. There it's going down, and here come the fish. I'm watching the fish come up to the lure, and I can see exactly how they react. This is similar to what you would see if you were fishing vertically in the winter. But now we have the capabilities to watch during the summer. Oh, there's a big, that looks like either a bass or a walleye. It scared them away. They all took off. It's so cool to see how the fish react to the lures. At the end of the day, would this make me a better angler? Well, I know for a fact that when my line is in the water, I can see the fish. So I'm never fishing in water that does not have fish where I'm casting. So yeah, it does make me a better angler. And is it fun? Absolutely. This is a riot. Panfish are a riot to fish in the open water with this Active Target Sonar, but you can vertically jig for walleyes, or I don't know, anything you want to fish for that you happen to fish directly below the boat. Now you have a live image. You can see what's down there. You can be ready. Whoa, the whole school just busted by another bass underneath me. So cool. This technology is really changing the way that we can fish in the open water.